Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Hey there gamers, have you ever dreamed of building your very own gaming PC? It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Today I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to build a powerful gaming rig. So stick around. The first thing on the list is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of your computer. It handles all the instructions from the software running on your PC. If you want a gaming PC, look for a CPU with multiple cores and high clock speeds. Brands like Intel and AMD offer great options. For most gamers, a mid-range CPU is more than enough, but if you want to future-proof your PC, you might want to invest in a high-end model. Next up, the motherboard. Think of the motherboard as the backbone of your PC. It's where all the components connect. When choosing a motherboard, make sure it's compatible with your CPU. You'll also want to consider features like the number of USB ports, PCI slots for your graphics card, and support for RAM. A good motherboard will allow you to upgrade your PC in the future, so don't skimp on this one. Random access memory. This is the part of your PC that stores data that your CPU needs quick access to. For gaming, you'll want at least 16 GB of RAM. RAM speed is also important, so look for something with a high IMG rating. The graphics card, or GPU. This is the component that makes your games look amazing. It handles all the rendering of images, textures, and effects in your games. For most modern games, you'll want at least a mid-range GPU. Brands like NVIDIA and AMD offer a wide range of options. If you're aiming for 4K gaming or high refresh rates, you might want to invest in a higher-end card. Keep an eye on the RAM as well. 8 GB is a good starting point for most games. Moving on to storage. You'll need somewhere to store your games, files, and operating system. The two main options are SSDs, solid-state drives, and HDDs, hard disk drives. SSDs are much faster than HDDs, meaning your games and applications will load quicker. The power supply unit PSU is another critical component. This is what provides power to all the parts of your PC. When choosing a PSU, make sure it has enough wattage to support your components. It's also a good idea to get a PSU with an 80+ certification, which means it's energy efficient. A good PSU is essential for a stable and reliable gaming PC. Finally, you'll need a case to house all these components. Cases come in different sizes, so make sure you choose one that fits your motherboard and has enough space for your GPU and other parts. A case with good airflow is important to keep your PC cool, especially when gaming for long periods. Once you have all your components, it's time to put them together. Start by installing the CPU onto the motherboard. Then add the RAM, GPU, and storage. Next, place the motherboard inside the case and connect the PSU. Finally, plug in all the necessary cables, and you're good to go. After assembling your PC, don't forget to install an operating system like Windows and your favorite games. And there you have it, a brand new gaming PC that you built yourself. Building a gaming PC is a rewarding experience. Not only do you get a powerful machine tailored to your needs, but you also gain a deeper understanding of how computers work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content.